Hello everyone, this is ARMYMOO here. For this video, we will be reacting to Spy Family episode 31 titled The Fearsome Luxury Cruise Ship. All three of the foragers are on a cruise ship, and Yor is on a special mission by herself on this cruise ship to protect a woman named Olka Gretcher, and her son are the only two survivors of the Gretcher family because there is a hitman that is trying to catch her for a bounty. I think his name was Leonardo Harpoon or something. He's this guy with a long beard that we saw ever so slightly in the end of the last episode. And he's got some crazy looking eyes. And apparently he placed a bunch of recording devices all around the cruise ship so he could listen in on every single conversation happening. So Yor and this Olka Gretcher lady, also known as Shati Gray, they decided to leave the room that they were in and enjoy the ocean breeze like they're on vacation as two, like, moms and have some healing time. But they were not aware of these recording devices. So this man that is after Olka Gretcher could hear everything that was going on. He overheard the conversation between Olka Gretcher and Yor, and they spilled what their names were. Olka Gretcher told Yor what her son's name was, and her son's name is Graham, which is the name of the father, I think. The secret is out, and the man that is after Olka Gretcher is about to find her in her room. He knows the room number and everything, and that is not good. I was shocked at the ending of the last episode because they are not safe. Yor needs to protect Shati with her whole life because he's coming for them. As we saw in the preview for this episode, Yor had a serious expression on her face. She's gonna go into major assassin mode. So while all this is happening between Yor and Olka, Lloyd and Anya are just having a vacation, just the two of them. Exploring around the cruise ship in the lower class area because Yor is separated in like the lower class and the upper class parts of the cruise ship. So they aren't together and they're dealing with their own things separately. But I do have a feeling that Yor, Lloyd, and Anya are going to suddenly unite randomly while on this cruise ship. And it's gonna be chaotic because Yor is trying so hard not to run into them. Because she's on an assassin mission. And she doesn't want to spill her secret to Lloyd. And Lloyd doesn't want to spill his secret of being a spy. So the both of them are being extremely careful about their roles in the family. And Anya, since she's a telepath, she knows what Yor is doing. And she knows everything that Lloyd is plotting too. Since Anya is going to overhear Yor possibly in a distance, she's gonna know that Yor is in danger, along with this other lady that she needs to protect. Maybe Anya will do all the protecting for Yor and Lloyd. Keep out of danger, guys. The Fearsome Luxury Cruise Ship, episode 31. It's fearsome because of this guy, this bad guy that's taking over the cruise ship. So, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of fear and terror in this episode. I can definitely tell. The preview looked very suspenseful, so but maybe also wholesome at the same time because Anya is just adorable. She's going on a adventure on this cruise ship and saying waka waka a whole bunch of times. She's excited. Let's watch Spy Family episode 31 right now. Is this before? Oh, this is her co-workers. They're jealous of her for going on the cruise. An elegant dinner? No. I don't know about that. She's got a lot on her hands right now. The Fearsome Luxury Cruise Ship. Is she at an elegant dinner? Wait, really? Oh, it's this guy. Oh. You're... Concentrate on the job and don't run into Anya or Lloyd because they can't find them there. Yes, be extra cautious. 8053. He knows their room number. Yeah. They unintentionally leaked that information though. Keep her safe. She's working. An island resort on the third day? Ooh. Beach episode soon. Yeah, Anya's just playing around. Aww. They wish Yor was there with them. He didn't. Uh-oh. They got spies. Yikes. Who's this guy? Oh, he's trailing them. Oh, this guy is smart. There's the knife. He's got the knife. Answer with a yes or no. Assassin hired by Leonardo Harpoon. Yes, he is. Whoa. Yes. A whole group of them? Is there? Ooh, this guy's scary. They're all separate. Selling them intel? Shati Gray, room 8053. He killed him! Whoa! Whoa! Just throw him off the ship? The director. He just murdered a guy. They know it all. He made a phone call? It wasn't him though. First come, first serve. Uh-oh. No! Don't answer! Don't answer! The suspense. Oh. No! It's not, it's not. Oh! Don't trust anyone. He's got a silencer. Shoot him with the darts. Ooh! Nice shot, Yor! So much violence in this episode. That would be best. Just to avoid fighting. Don't reveal their identities. Yeah, that's what happened. There he is. Oh, I don't like him. There's so many of them. She is from Garden. Wow, look at all of them. She has to fight up all these people? Another one thrown off ship. It's like they're all preparing for battle. Those are their masks? Masquerade ball on the cruise? They're always being followed. Whoa. Bloodlust? You can't kill your as much as you want to. It's crawling with them. Ooh. Inject them with poison? Oh. Let's go, Yor. That's the peaceful way. Nope. She's so good. Aim for the blonde. They're everywhere. She's dancing with him. She's a married woman. Oh, break his fingers. And this is how she peacefully kills. How many people has Yor beaten up already? A skeleton keychain. Give it to her! Anya's gonna collect all the keychains. Wiretaps! He knows! Oh, let's go, Lloyd. Rolling on the floor. Give her what she wants. Just buy it. Just because he's not buying it for her, they think he's a spy. Enjoy cruise. Now she feels a little bad. Oh. See? Anya can hear them. Sickle and Chain Barnaby. Bad guys is what they are. Anya, do something! Anya, save her! Chain frog? She hates frogs, no! An assassin who hates frogs? Let's get a divorce and get rid of Anya? The craziest things she thinks of. Aww. He's so cute. This is what a normal father would do. Who cares about that stupid thing? She's got better things to worry about. She's protecting Yor's identity too. What is this emotion? What? Always off the mark. Tie with whales on it. We're gonna wear matching clothes. The cruise ship merch. Mentally stable. Yes, waku waku. He's not excited. We're gonna get to see excited Lloyd. Oh no. Mr. Squid Pants. Try on all the clothes. This is exciting. So he's gonna change into all these clothes while Anya saves your... Go, go, go! In an instant? What? I want to see the transformation of Lloyd, the cheerful dad. So while Lloyd is struggling, Anya needs to prevent the battle. Whoa! What a weapon! No! What? Mid-battle? Why is it ending just mid-battle? No! That is such a cliffhanger. Oh no. They didn't even start the battle yet. Okay, but that's so funny. Lloyd is changing into all these wacky clothes for the cruise ship just to make Anya happy. And then Yor has to avoid all of these bad guys just roaming around this cruise ship randomly. She's gonna encounter them everywhere she goes on this ship. This is not good. And she has to avoid killing at the same time. How is she gonna do that? She doesn't want to stir up a commotion and have the cruise ship be turned around. They need to reach the destination for her mission to be successful. But all of this that's happening, all of these obstacles with these bad guys, is like making it impossible. Since Anya knows about both Lloyd and Yor's secrets, she also has to prevent them from seeing each other when they're in their assassin and spy modes. Like, oh, this is so crazy. Okay, we need to see the next preview. Next mission. Ooh, her eyes. Bond? Who is this mission for? Ooh, they got a gun. More dining. This guy is gonna be an epic showdown with this guy. I already forgot his name, but look at that weapon, that like axe with a chain. How is she not gonna be able to battle this guy without causing a commotion? And how is Anya gonna deal with him? What is she possibly gonna do? He's so gigantic and she's just a little kid. Yor needs to... I don't know. Oh, look at Yor though. She's in that masquerade mask. There's no way Lloyd won't be able to recognize her. And we have Bond in the next episode too. Who is the mission for? Who is this mission for? Is it for Lloyd, Yor, or Anya? Maybe all three. Is this how it's gonna be resolved? Dude. This is so chaotic. Anything can happen on this cruise ship. Like, and you saw how many people Yor just took out so casually without anyone noticing. Yor is a professional assassin. She can take out those bad guys so easily. In like a matter of seconds. Wow. Lloyd is completely out of the picture. Anya and Yor need to battle this guy. But wait a minute. Anya is protecting Yor's identity. But she isn't supposed to be seen by Yor either. Because Yor doesn't know that Anya knows that she's an assassin. So Anya also needs to be sneaky about it. She needs to be stealthy about approaching this bad guy as well. It complicates things so much because they don't know their secrets. It's so complicated. They're put in such a complicated situation. And even the title is questioning who the mission is for. That's a good question. I don't know. Maybe it's for Anya. She's gonna save Yor's life again. She's gonna save Lloyd and Yor's life again behind their backs. Without them knowing. She's gonna pull it off somehow. Whether it's with a peanut bomb or something else she creates on the spot. Anya can be pretty smart with these schemes of hers. So, yeah. I can't believe we ended it off mid-battle. But I like that we have seen all of the faces of the bad guy group. And this, okay, I'm pretty sure his name is Leonardo Harpoon. He's just underground somewhere in the cruise, hidden away, not even doing anything. He's just listening in on the whole entire ship. So, without him even moving, he knows everyone's move and their entire plan. He even knows that they have switched rooms. How are they gonna deal with this guy? He's the mastermind. Oh, yeah. There is a lot of violence in this episode, which I like. So much action with Yor, Assassin Yor in action. Love to see it. Wow. And we're gonna see even more of it in the next episode. So yeah, that's it. This was episode 31 of Spy Family. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye! Who is the mission for? Let me know. But no spoilers.